Everybody has a problem of managing money. How will we manage our money? This is a question everybody asks. Fine. So today I will cover the points how you can manage money, what I learned from my mentor, T. Harvekar. Fine. So getting into the points, before that, I am Kaise Visishta Seva Medal, productivity coach, and an NLP expert. Let us see what are the steps we can take for managing our money. Financial freedom account. We should have an account which is called as financial freedom account, and 10% of your money should go into that account. Never spend this amount. Never spend this money. This money will give you a freedom throughout your life so that you are sure that this money is available. Let anything happen, we are safe. Fine. So financial freedom account, 10% of your income should go into this account. Next, long-term savings and spending. You can have 10% allotted for this. Every month you can put 10% into this particular account. That is used for purchasing TV, household items, refrigerators, used for vacations when you want to go for vacations or anything, you can use this amount. Fine. So this amount is always for your normal spending. Coming to the third, education. Education 10%. So always we should be a lifelong learner. If you are a lifelong learner, then you achieve in your life. If you are working somewhere or if you are doing some business, you should develop your skills. So to develop your skills, you require money. You need to learn. So always have 10% of your income put in the education account. Okay. This you can use. If we are not growing, we are dying. So for purchase of courses on personal development and other skills, we can use this 10% money, right? Coming to the next point, that is necessity account. 55% of your income, we should put it in the necessity account. What is this account? All household expenditures, grocery, electricity bill, gas, house rent, your fuel, and all the household expenditures. What are the expenditures are coming your way? We can use this account for spending that. So 55% of your income, you should put it in the necessity account. Fine. Coming to the next account is play account. 10%. Play account is 10%. Spend the money every month. Take your family to restaurants, beach and movies and anywhere you want to enjoy. Enjoy this money. Spend this money completely every month. Okay. So this is very important, play account, which keeps you energetic, which keeps your family in a good relationship, and your children all will be enjoying. You have to spend this 10% money every month. Fine. Coming to the next is charity. At least 5% you should put in the charity. Spend the money. You are spending a lot of money. Give 5% to the people, those who are in need. Some child care home, some old age home, or some temple, gurudwara, church, mosque, where they are providing food to people. So charity, when you give to the universe will give you more money. So this is very, very, very important to have charity. So once again, I'll cover what are we call it, otherwise we call it as jars. If you call it as bank account, it is fine. Otherwise, you can call it as small 6 jars, right? 6 jars. Again, I tell you what are the points. Financial freedom account, 10%. Long-term savings, 10%. Education, 10%. Necessity account, 55%. Play account, 10%. And charity, 5%. Right? Anyone can become financially free if you know how to manage your money. Right? To win the game, play the whole game. 6 jar system would have given you an idea, and please follow this. You will be really successful and you will enjoy your life. If you like this video, click the like button, comment in the comment box, share it to your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. If you are interested to learn more about productivity, procrastination, mindset, focus, you can click the link below and join my upcoming webinar. Thank you and have a nice day.